Ground fault circuit interrupters, or GFCIs, are designed to detect imbalances between the current flowing on the hot and neutral conductors. If the difference exceeds a certain threshold, usually 6 mA, the GFCI trips to prevent electrical shocks. When sharing the neutral between two GFCIs on different circuits, the current flowing on the neutral conductor is no longer a direct reflection of the current flowing on the two hot conductors. Instead, it is the sum of the currents from both circuits. This can lead to unwanted tripping of the GFCIs. Firstly, transient surges can cause issues. When large electrical loads are turned on or off on one circuit, it can create a transient surge on the neutral conductor. This surge can cause the GFCI on the other circuit to trip due to the sudden imbalance between the hot and neutral currents. Secondly, equipment leakage can cause tripping. If one of the circuits has a device with a small amount of leakage current, such as a hairdryer or an electronic device, this leakage current can flow through the shared neutral conductor and cause the GFCI on the other circuit to trip. To avoid unwanted tripping, it is recommended to install GFCIs on separate neutral conductors. This ensures that each GFCI is solely monitoring the current on its own circuit and prevents cross-contamination between circuits.